guys, I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader. This is going to be a very productive morning vlog, and make sure that you watch till the very end because I am sure you will feel very motivated. And in this vlog, I will also reveal my midterm date sheet and my midterm syllabus. So stay tuned for that. So first of all, I woke up and I made my bed क्योंकि it was extremely messy and it's the first thing. उसके बाद मैंने अपनी क्लोजेट देखी जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनऑर्गेनाइज थी. I was procrastinating on cleaning it since a very long time, but क्योंकि आज Sunday था, I decided to clean it. I usually like to organize my room on a Sunday because that keeps me set for a week. So yeah, I was organizing my closet after a very long time. Like मैंने 2 weeks से नहीं किया था इसे organize. I was also listening to music while doing it. The first thing I do is I dump all of the clothes from my closet onto my bed because अगर मैं closet में ही रखूँगी तो उसको organize करना बहुत ज़्यादा tedious हो जाता है. And सबसे पहले I folded all of my clothes and kept them like in the order in which I would like to keep them in my closet. So I kept the pants separately, the top separately and the jeans separately, and I also like to put my shorts separately. So yeah, पहले मैंने सब clothes को इस तरीके से fold किया, and listening to music really helps make this fun because otherwise it is just going to be a tedious chore for me. So after I was done folding all of the clothes, I kept them into my closet in their designated spaces, and once that was done, you can see that my closet looks very organized. I was so proud of doing this because I have been procrastinating on this since so long, and I also made this planner very quickly क्योंकि मैंने अगस्त का अभी तक कोई planner नहीं बनाया था and it was literally 10th of August, तो मैंने फटाफट planner बना लिया. After that I went to take a shower. So now I'm done with taking a shower, and as you can see, I also washed my hair today. So now we need to do our skincare. First of all, I like to put on my moisturizer. Also guys, my eyes are a little dark because like मैंने कल काजल लगाया था and like वो थोड़ा सा smudge हो गया है and वो अपने आप with time हटता है. Like I can't remove it with my makeup remover instantly. So yeah, I'm just putting on my moisturizer right now. I've been trying to wake up at 4 a.m. since like so many days, but I'm just not able to. So instead of making a 4 a.m. vlog for y'all, I'll just make this vlog क्योंकि I'm not able to wake up at 4 a.m. And oh my god, my date sheet is here and I am literally panicking because the date sheet is not good at all and my exams are super close and like they're approaching इतना ज़्यादा जल्दी and बहुत कम दिन होंगे हर एग्जाम के बीच में, which is obviously not a good thing. So I'm just very scared about that. Now I'm putting on my sunscreen because that is a non-negotiable. It is extremely important to put your sunscreen. Also guys, let me know if you want like a get ready with me for school type video because I was thinking about making one of that for y'all. So like yeah, let me know if you'd be interested in that, and I'll show you all my date sheet soon in the video. So make sure that you keep watching this one. Oh my god, I'm super tired already and the day has just started. आज मैंने 4 a.m. का alarm लगाया था, but then I woke up at like 8. I woke up 4 घंटे after what I was supposed to wake up at. So that's just annoying. Now I'm done putting on my sunscreen, and the next thing that I do is I put on this body oil. So yeah, let's just do that. It's vanilla flavored, so that's always really good. Like it makes me smell really nice. And after putting on this body oil, I put on like a matching body mist so that I smell nice. And also guys, kal Rakhi thi, so this is the Rakhi that I'm wearing currently. कल तो काफ़ी थी but like अब मैंने उतार दिया and I just have one Rakhi on my hand now because yeah, I'll just remove it whenever like अपने आप बाहर आ जाए, तब तक it can just stay there I guess. So the next thing that I'll put on is this body mist. ये दोनों चीज़ें plum के हैं by the way, and I love the smell. It's awesome. So after putting on the body mist on my pulse points, I'm basically done. Like that is my morning rituals, and oh my god, I smell really good. So now let's move on to the next part of the day. I'm wearing a super basic outfit for today. It's shorts and this t-shirt, so yeah. So now I was done with my basic morning stuff. तो मेरे को अब पढ़ाई करने बैठना था, and obviously before I start studying I needed to write down a to-do list. So I was writing down my to-do list, and I write down to-do list on Notion. A lot of you all have been asking me what app I use for it. So yeah, it's Notion. And I was listening to music while doing that as well. क्योंकि I had to really think मुझे आज क्या क्या काम करना है, because I was totally blank. I had no idea what I have to do today. And yesterday I did not study anything because it was रक्षा बंधन and मेरी family में भी किसी का birthday था. So yeah, we had to celebrate all that. इसलिए time नहीं मिला. And this is the to-do list that I made, and I think it is very hectic. But then I started studying. सबसे पहले I was doing maths, क्योंकि maths करने के लिए सबसे कम mental energy लगती है. And I was doing circles. I have already completed this chapter from the NCERT. But like जब मैंने तब किया था, मुझसे एक बार में सारे questions नहीं हुए थे. So I just decided to practice it once again. I suggest whenever you all do maths, start the NCERT first and make sure कि तुम्हारे NCERT के सारे questions without error हो रहे हैं before you move on to a reference book, because obviously if you are not able to do the basic questions, then how will you do the advanced ones, right? So make sure that you complete it from the NCERT first. And I was also watching Friends while doing maths because it just helps me focus better. एंड मुझसे 2-3 क्वेश्चंस अभी भी नहीं हुए हैं पूरी एक्सरसाइज के, तो वो मैंने नेट पर देखकर एक बार अच्छे से समझ लिए. एंड देन आफ्टर आई वाज डन लाइक लुकिंग एट दैट, आई सॉल्व इट माई सेल्फ विदाउट लुकिंग कहीं से भी, ताकि मेरी एक बार अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो जाए उस टॉपिक की. एंड लाइक कंसिडरिंग मेरे से सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं हुए एक बार में, आई विल प्रैक्टिस द क्वेश्चंस विच आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू इन वन गो once again, like later, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever I get time, so that NCERT के सारे questions without error at least one time मैं कर लूँ. Once I was done with all the questions, I checked it off my to-do list. So now I will be showing you all my date sheets. So this is my date sheet for my midterm exams, and मैं अपने phone पे खोल रखा है इसको ताकि मैं तुम लोगों के साथ discuss कर पाऊँ. I know in my previous video I told you all that my exams are starting from 8th of September, but like date sheet में लिखा है 1st September. बट लाइक 1st September को मेरा AI का एग्जाम है जो 50 मार्क्स का होता है, एंड उसके बाद हमारी कोई छुट्टियां नहीं होती हैं. उसके बाद वी हैव टू गो टू स्कूल फॉर अनदर वीक, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल हैव आवर मैथ्स एग्जाम ऑन 8th of September, राइट. सो उसके बाद से मेरे एक्चुअल एग्जाम स्टार्ट होंगे, क्योंकि उसके बाद मेरे को स्कूल नहीं जाना, और स्कूल सिर्फ एग्जाम देने के लिए जाना है टिल 20th. एंड वी लिटरली हैव इतने कम दिन का प्रेप लीव. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे गिव अस सो मच टाइम फॉर मैथ्स, बिकॉज मैथ्स के लिए आई पर्सनली डोंट नीड उतना टाइम. एंड फॉर हिंदी, जिसके लिए एक्चुअली में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम चाहिए रहता है, उसके लिए सिर्फ एक दिन की प्रेप लीव है. दैट इज इट, 1 डे. लास्ट टाइम भी हमारे एग्जाम्स में हमको हिंदी के लिए एक भी दिन की प्रेप लीव नहीं मिली थी. लाइक वी हैड एग्जाम्स ऑन कंसेक्यूटिव डेज ओनली फॉर लाइक हिंदी एंड द सब्जेक्ट प्रायर टू इट. सो हिंदी के लिए हमें लास्ट टाइम एक भी दिन नहीं मिला था, एंड इस बार हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक दिन मिला. आई डोंट नो व्हाई द स्कूल एक्सपेक्ट्स अस टू स्कोर गुड व्हेन दे डोंट गिव अस एनी प्रेप लीव. बट या आई विल सी हाउ आई मेक दैट वर्क, क्योंकि हिंदी करने के लिए मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, एंड नॉट गेटिंग टाइम टू डू हिंदी इज जस्ट क्रेजी, क्योंकि हिंदी में सबसे ज्यादा सिलेबस है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. लाइक लिटरेचर में भी इतने सारे चैप्टर्स आते हैं. लाइक आई जस्ट पुट अप माई हिंदी सिलेबस ओवर हियर. एज यू कैन सी लिटरेचर में इतने ज्यादा चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं. ग्रामर के टॉपिक्स ओके, वी विल मैनेज दैट, बट literature is too much to complete. And second of all, I have like I don't have language and literature, I have Hindi B, जिसमें जो चैप्टर्स होते हैं ना, दे आर लाइक मोर रट्टा मारने वाले चैप्टर्स. दे आर बेस्ड ऑन हिस्ट्री, दे आर बेस्ड ऑन गॉडेसेस एंड गॉड्स, एंड दे आर नॉट रियली स्टोरीज विच यूड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन रीडिंग. लाइक जैसे कुछ स्टोरीज होती है जिनका कुछ मॉरल होता है, तो ये वैसा नहीं है. तो या वी विल डेफिनेटली गेट ट्रबल टू मैनेज हिंदी. मैथ्स मैनेज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मैथ्स का सिलेबस भी बहुत कम है. दिस इज माई मैथ सिलेबस. मैथ में सिर्फ 9 चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं, एंड ये 9 चैप्टर्स मेरे हो चुके हैं अच्छे से. आई मीन एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मैंने अभी तक किसी रेफरेंस से नहीं किया है, बट लाइक वी हैव टाइम टू डू दैट. सो या आई विल टू कंप्लीट दैट अच्छे से, आई एम श्योर. एंड लाइक एज यू कैन सी, साइंस के बाद है संस्कृत फ्रेंच, एंड उसके बाद है सोशल साइंस. नाउ आई डोंट हैव संस्कृत फ्रेंच, सो मेरे को 17 को पेपर देने नहीं जाना है. So for social science, I will get 4 days of prep leave, which is just really nice. क्योंकि once again, SSC का syllabus is a lot, and I need a lot of time to revise it again for the exam. क्योंकि like बहुत ज़्यादा, this is my SSC syllabus, and as you can see, SSC में कितने सारे chapters आ रहे हैं. It's literally impossible to do that बहुत जल्दी. So getting 4 days in SSC is sufficient, and I hope कि इन 4 days के कारण मेरे अच्छे marks आए SSC में. So yeah. So that is nice. Other than that, I don't think I can discuss any other subject, क्योंकि everything else I'll be able to manage. English में syllabus is a lot. Like this is my English syllabus. Syllabus is a lot, but like it's not that hard. सिलेबस इज ईजियर देन हिंदी, क्योंकि हिंदी में मेरे को समझने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, बट इंग्लिश में समझना एंड लर्न करना इज मच मोर ईजियर फॉर मी पर्सनली. And other than that, I have science. I have science after Hindi. And for science, we have 13, 14. We have 2 days of prep leave. Yeah, I think science के लिए 2 days of prep leave is sufficient. Like ideally, I think they should give us 2 days of prep leave for every single exam, because I feel like that makes it सबसे ज़्यादा manageable. And yeah, so I think that is pretty much it for my date sheet and my first term syllabus. मैं साइंस का सिलेबस यहाँ लगा दूंगी, बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने तुम्हें साइंस का सिलेबस अभी तक नहीं दिखाया. दिस इज माई साइंस सिलेबस एंड ऑनेस्टली बहुत ज़्यादा कम सिलेबस है ये, कंसिडरिंग आई वाज थिंकिंग कि पता नहीं कितना कुछ दे देंगे साइंस में, क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल में काफ़ी कुछ कंप्लीट करवा दिया है, बट लाइक दे आर गिविंग हाफ ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर्स. सो या दैट इज प्रीटी गुड. आई एम लाइक बाय हाफ ऑफ द डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर्स आई मीन कि जो डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर है उसके अंदर से आधा पार्ट कट है एंड आधा पार्ट हमारे एग्जाम में आ रहा है. So yeah, I think that is pretty good. So that was it for the syllabus and date sheet part. Now let us move on. Now I was watching Friends and I was also eating these cookie and crumb flavored Hershey's Kisses. These are my favorite, and after I was done with my break, I decided to start our environment. I'm doing a new chapter, so I would start it by watching a lecture. मेरे बैच में अभी तक ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, इसीलिए मैं यूट्यूब पर एक लेक्चर देख रही थी टू कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर. ऑल्सो गाइज, दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल एंड ईजी चैप्टर, सो दैट वॉज वेरी गुड, क्योंकि मेरे को इसको करते वक्त बोर भी नहीं हो रहा था ज़्यादा, क्योंकि ये टॉपिक्स हम अपने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में कर चुके हैं. So yeah, I was just completing that. I was also making my notes while watching the lecture. Whenever I'm watching a lecture, चाहे वो YouTube पे हो या मेरा batch हो, I always like to keep like watching with a notebook so that I can make the important notes while watching the lecture. Because in the future, if I ever want to refer to the lecture, then I don't have to watch the entire lecture and I can just read the notes once again to understand whatever was told in the lecture. And also guys, I am very concerned about my midterms because they are starting इतना ज़्यादा जल्दी. We just have 20 days left and I definitely need to make a proper plan for my midterms, because the type of person I am, I can't do anything without a proper written plan. So yeah, I would definitely need to make one for myself. So do let me know if you want a separate video for that. After that, my mom gave me this dahi bhalla. It was very yummy, and I also ate this cake from yesterday. This is chocolate truffle. It's my favorite flavor. Then we also had lunch जिसमें हमने rice खाया, and after that I started my next study session where I was doing the reading of the same chapter from the NCERT. This is usually the order in which I study. I watch the lecture and make my notes while watching the lecture. Then I give the NCERT a reading and I also practice the NCERT questions. So yeah, that is why I was reading the NCERT. And also guys, let me just tell you, after I read the NCERT, I fell asleep. Like around 3 o'clock I fell asleep. And after that I woke up at 6 and my brother told me that he had been trying to wake me up 4 बार, but I did not wake up. So 6 o'clock I finally woke up and I realized that I wasted 3 hours of my day. But yeah, that is something that I do on a regular basis and I'm not very proud of it. And I definitely want to improve it. Like मैंने 25 minutes का अलार्म लगाया था and I did wake up after 25 minutes. But अलार्म बंद करके मैं वापस सो गई. Anyways, after completing the NCERT questions, I checked this topic off my to-do list. And yeah, after my nap, I woke up around 6 o'clock. Then I went for a walk with my mom. And that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, make sure to comment a pink heart to let me know that you have made it this far. That's it for this one, guys. I love you always. Bye-bye.